Stop. If you're thinking about buying AI videos, there's something you need to know first. Because according to the creators, this software can turn a simple idea, keyword or script into a fully animated cartoon, doodle or 3D character video in just a few minutes. No animation skills, no expensive software, no hiring freelancers, no editing headaches. So the big question is, can AI videos really create professional animated videos automatically, or is it just another overhyped AI video tool? Stay tuned, because in this review I'm going to show you exactly what AI Vidioz is, what's inside, the pros and cons, and my honest opinion. If you decide to grab AI Vidioz through the link below this video, you'll also get my exclusive bonus package worth over $500 absolutely free. What is AI Vidioz? AI Vidioz is a cloud-based AI animation platform that creates cartoon videos, doodle videos, 3D character videos, AI voiceovers, AI scripts, AI thumbnails, AI characters and backgrounds, and HD video exports. Everything happens inside one dashboard without needing multiple tools. Benefits: why people are interested. Animated videos usually require animators, editors, voice artists, scriptwriters, thumbnail designers, and expensive software subscriptions. AI Vidioz attempts to combine all of those functions into one platform. This can potentially save time, reduce costs, and help beginners create engaging content much faster. Plus, animated content often performs well on YouTube, TikTok, Shorts, Reels, explainer videos, educational content, and client projects. Inside AI Vidioz you'll get iCartoon, Doodle and AMP, 3D video creator, built-in video editor, lifelike AI voice generator, AI scriptwriter, AI thumbnail generator, image editor, massive stock asset library, multi-language support, HD video rendering, commercial license included, and cloud-based access. Honest pros and cons. Let's be real. Pros: beginner-friendly, multiple animation styles, AI voices included, built-in editor and thumbnail creator, commercial rights included, cloud-based access, and saves time compared to traditional animation. Cons: AI output may need minor editing, rendering speed depends on server load, quality still depends on your input and creativity, and not an instant money-making tool. Results: what to expect. AI Vidioz won't magically make you rich overnight, but it can dramatically reduce the time needed to create animated content. If you're creating YouTube videos, Shorts, TikToks, explainer videos, educational content, or client projects, this tool can help streamline the production process. Now let's talk about my exclusive bonuses. Bonus 1: AI YouTube Automation Blueprint, value $297. Discover the exact framework for building faceless YouTube channels using AI tools, content planning, monetization strategies, and growth tactics. Bonus 2: Viral Thumbnail and Hook Masterclass, value $247. Learn how to create attention-grabbing thumbnails, titles, and hooks that increase clicks, watch time, and engagement. Total bonus value $544. You get both bonuses free when you purchase AI Vidioz through my link below this video. So, is AI Vidioz worth it? If you're looking for an easier way to create animated videos without learning complicated animation software, then AI Vidioz definitely brings a lot of value to the table. It's not magic, but it can save creators a significant amount of time and effort. If you want to check out AI Vidioz and claim my exclusive bonuses, click the first link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.